Here's something most languages never let you do. Add new syntax. Not a function, actual syntax that runs before your program does. In Scheme, it's a macro, and it's how you grow the language toward the problem in front of you. Say you want to swap two variables. A function can't do it. It only receives the values, never the variables themselves. To pull it off, you have to rewrite the code. That's exactly what a macro is. Define syntax with syntax rules is a rewrite rule. On the left, the pattern, swap of A and B. On the right, the code it becomes. Stash a temporary, then reassign both. Swap X and Y, and they trade places. And you don't have to take it on faith. Copy expand shows your program after the macros run. There's our swap, turned into the real code, before the program executes a single step. Now the scary part. That macro uses a variable called TMP. So what if your variable is also called TMP? In older Lisps, the macro would quietly clobber it. Watch. Swap TMP and Y, 20 and 10, exactly right. Look back at the expansion. Kaappi renamed the macro's temporary to _Hyg TMP, its own private name. That automatic renaming is called Hygiene, and it means a macro can never accidentally capture your names. Power without the footgun. The ellipsis, body ... lets a macro take any number of expressions. Here's a while loop, which Scheme doesn't ship. Run the body as long as the test holds. Under the hood, it's the named let from last episode in a nicer wrapper. And now, while is part of your language. A macro can hold several patterns, and Kaappi picks whichever matches. Inc with just a variable adds 1. With a second argument, adds that much. One name, two shapes, which is exactly how built-ins like cond and case are made. So that's macros. Rewrite rules that run before your code, with Hygiene keeping them safe. When, unless, even let itself, are macros over a tiny core, and that same door is open to you. Next time, we put Kaappi to work on real tasks. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more Kaappi.